Hello, everyone. 5-year-old Emily Clarke lived in the quiet town of Ashford Hollow, just outside Manchester. Her life was normal until her 16th birthday. That morning, she looked into the bathroom mirror and saw blood on her own hands. It wasn't real blood. It vanished in a blink. But the shock was too strong. That night, she had a nightmare of a car crash, a red truck, screaming, fire. The next day, it happened. Exactly the same way. A red truck crashed outside the school. A student died. Emily realized she could see the future, but only the terrifying parts. Over the next few weeks, Emily had more visions. A girl drowning in a lake, a fire in a bakery, a man jumping off a bridge. Each time she tried to warn people, they laughed, or worse, accused her of being mentally ill. Even her own mother said, "You're just having stress dreams. It's teenage hormones." But Emily knew. Every time she closed her eyes, she saw death. And then, one night, she saw her best friend Lily, dead, trapped in a burning classroom, the school's art room. Friday, Emily tried everything. She told the principal, the fire department, her parents, even posted on social media. Urgent, Ashford Hollow High, fire in art room, Friday, 3:15 p.m. People called it a prank. Drama Girl became her nickname. She stayed home Friday. At 3:16 p.m., news broke. A fire had started in the school's art room. One student injured, one missing. It was Lily. Emily ran barefoot to the school, but it was too late. After Lily's death, the visions got worse. Now, a shadow followed her in every vision. A tall man in black with no face, just hollow eyes. And every time she saw him, someone would die within 24 hours. Emily realized she wasn't just seeing the future. Something in the future was seeing her back. Desperate to warn others, Emily posted a video. "I can see death, not all death, only violent ones, and now it's following me." She uploaded the video at 3:13 a.m. By 7 a.m. it had over 1 million views. Hundreds of comments poured in. "I had the same vision. I saw the man in black, too. You're not alone. This thing is real." But one comment stood out. "You're next. 7 days." At the Hollow Seer each night, Emily saw another version of her own death, sometimes drowning, sometimes falling, sometimes just the man in black walking into her room. She set up cameras, alarms, salt circles. Nothing helped. On the 7th day, she locked herself in the church across town. But the man in black was already there. He whispered, "The future can't be changed, but the pain can be shared," and vanished. The next morning, Emily woke up in her bed, alive. But something had changed. She couldn't see the future anymore. Instead, now others could see her. Thousands of people who watched her viral video said she now appeared in their dreams, always whispering, "It's coming for you next."